Welcome to PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy. In this session I am going to explain you the contour integration. So evaluate integral 0 to 2 pi d theta divided by 13 plus 12 cos theta. So we have to change to in terms of z. So therefore z is equal to e power I theta. Differentiating dz is equal to I into e power I theta into d theta. So dz is equal to I into e power I theta can be written as z into d theta. So dz divided by iz, which is equal to d theta. So d theta is equal to dz divided by iz. Okay. So in the next step you can write as the given integral can be written as, which is equal to integral over 0 to 2 pi d theta divided by 13 plus 12 cos theta, which is equal to integral over c dz divided by iz whole divided by 13 plus 12 cos theta can be written as z square plus 1 divided by 2z. In shorts I have done some videos. So what is cos theta? Cos theta can be written as cos theta is equal to z square plus 1 divided by 2z. This is the formula. So use here. So I have used here. So therefore in the next step you can write as dz divided by iz, dz integral over c dz divided by iz whole divided by, so 26 z plus 12 z square plus 12 divided by 2z, which is equal to integral over c dz divided by iz, dz divided by iz whole divided by, so 12z square plus 26z plus 12 divided by 2z, that can be written as, which is equal to integral over c dz divided by iz into 2z divided by 12 if you are taking as common z square plus 26 divided by 12z plus 12 by 12 1, which is equal to z cancel, z cancel, 2 12 cancel, so 1 by 6, so 1 divided by 6i integral over c dz divided by z square plus 13 divided by 6z plus 1, 13 divided by 6z plus 1. So this is a very important, 1 divided by 6i integral over c dz divided by z square plus 13 divided by 6z plus 1. So this can be written as, take this equation number 1. So f of z is equal to 1 divided by z square plus 13 divided by 6z plus 1. So I am going to factorize this. So if you factorize this, z is equal to z square, quadratic equation, z square plus 13 divided by 6z plus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to plus 13 divided by 6, c is equal to 1. So minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula. So minus 13 divided by 6 plus or minus square root of 13 square divided by 6 square minus 4a c is 1 divided by 2a. A is 1. So therefore if you apply here you will get, which is equal to minus 13 divided by 6 plus or minus 13 square 169. So square root of 169 minus 36 minus 4. right? So therefore whole divided by 2, so which is equal to minus 13 divided by 6 plus or minus, if we are taking the LCM, 436 will be square root of 169 minus 144 divided by 36 whole divided by 2, whole divided by 2, so which is equal to what we will write, which is equal to minus 13 divided by 6 plus or minus square root of, so 25 divided by 36 whole divided by 2, which is equal to minus 13 divided by 6 plus or minus 5 divided by 6 whole divided by 2, which is equal to minus 13 divided plus or minus 5 divided by 12. This is 2, if it goes in the reciprocal, so you can write as 1 by 2. So therefore which is equal to 13 minus 13 plus 5 divided by 12 comma minus 13 minus 5 divided by 12. So therefore which is equal to minus 13 plus 5 will be minus 8 by 12. This will be minus 18 by 12. So what is minus 8 by 12 minus 18 by 12? This will be minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2. Okay, so minus 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2. Next you have to take the circle modulus z is equal to 1. So therefore modulus the circle modulus z is equal to 1, modulus z is equal to 1. So radius is 1. So therefore C is the modulus circle modulus z is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3, which is equal to, okay, so this lies inside the circle, this lies inside the circle modulus z is equal to 1 minus 3 by 2 lies 1.5, so that's why lies outside the circle modulus z is equal to 1. So no need to find the value for outside the circle. So we are going to find the value for inside the circle. So therefore here what we have written, so equation number 1 becomes 1 divided by 6i integral over c dz divided by z square plus 13 divided by 6z plus 1, which is equal to 1 divided by 6i 2 pi I into sum of 2 pi I into sum of all residues, sum of all residues. So next we have to find the residues. So let us see how to find the residues. So residues you can find using the values of which one is lies inside. So therefore residues at z is equal to minus 2 by 3. So which is equal to limit z tends to minus 2 by 3, which is equal to z plus 2 by 3 f of z. What is f of z? Which is already we have taken z plus 2 by 3, f of z is 1 divided by z plus 2 by 3 z plus 3 by 2. Okay, so z plus 2 by 3 z plus 2 by 3 cancel. So therefore limit z tends to minus 2 by 3, which is equal to 1 divided by minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2, which is equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2, which is equal to 1 divided by if I are taking LCM minus 4 plus 9 divided by 6, which is equal to 1 divided by 5 by 6, which is equal to 6 by 5. Okay, so residues values also we have got. So therefore you have to write as, which is equal to 1 divided by 6i into 2 pi I into sum of all residues, sum of all residues, I cancel, so 1 divided by 6 into 2 pi, sum of all residues are 6 divided by 5, so which is equal to 6 divided by 6, so 2 pi divided by 5. This is the final answer. 2 pi divided by 5 is the final answer. Thank you.